Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 2, and today I will show you how to clear browsing data. So to get started, you want to open up your browser. From here, tap on it, 3 dots, and go into your history. And here you'll find all the history that you have right now, and you can delete each individual entry just by tapping on the X like so, or you can delete them all in bulk by tapping on the blue text right here, clear browsing data. And you'll have also a few more options. So we have the time range, so you can set it for last hour, for 1 day, 7 days, month, or all time. Now it really depends on you how far back you want to go. For me, it doesn't really matter if I choose 1 hour all time, it's still gonna remove everything. So all you need to do is just tap on what option you wish to use, and then you have the 3 checkboxes here. So browser history, you want to probably keep that on, considering this will remove the history itself, if that's what you want to remove. Then cookies and site data, you might as well, it will just clear up a little bit of trash from your phone, just as cache and images. Now here for cache and images, it also tells you how much space it is consuming right now on your device, and this is one of those temporary files that is being kept, so I think after a month or so they get removed anyway, even if you don't clear it yourself. And all it does is just removes images and stuff like that websites have loaded, so later on if you go back to the website, it can load it up quicker. So you can keep this on or off, doesn't really matter. I would probably, if you want to do a clean, like just remove all the history with everything, I'll keep that on. And then all you need to do is tap on clear data, confirm it once more, and boom, there it is. That's previously where there was an entire wall of text of different websites. As you can see, now it's completely clear. So that is how you would clear browsing data. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.